All right, so welcome back, guys. This is day 13 of us trading of the 100-day challenge. So today was at the end of our winning streak. We lost today and we made a big loss. Basically, it was something big, but happened to have managed risk so tight, and yeah, we ended up having a small loss on the day. So I didn't trade my model. That's number one. One of the reasons why I failed today, I didn't trade my model, and the reason to that was these guys of TradeOvet had their application down for some reason, and I missed my entry, if I may say something like that. But all is good, all is well. It still played out. The bias was set for sales. The market gave off everything, and I mean everything. So if we can go through it, we have 9:30 opening up, we have the 12 a.m. 12:30 opening range marked out. The market opens up at 9:30, drops and taps it one more time, fails to close below it, and then rallies higher, taking out minor buy side. And just note where we first took out the liquidity from. First took out sell side. So this is an intention in the market, and the market wants to sell. Market rallies higher, drop, macro opens up. We fail to form a higher high, higher than this. That means the market didn't give you a breaker block. This is a mitigation block right here. But this candle is not in the macro, so I'm not looking at it. I'm looking for a PDR in this. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. What the? I wish this day closes bearish. But anyway. Oh my god. But anyway. We had. I don't know what's happening right now. Oh my god. I don't know, the Tyler is still in this trade. I think he just put it out. And now look at what's happening. It's going to be so frustrated. So 9:30 opens up. We have the 3-minute and if a PDR in the 3-minute. On the 3-minute in the macro, so we have the market dropping down, giving us this as an order block. So this is a bearish order block, just there. So the bearish order block, market gave you that, tapped there. This had to be our entry, and I was on. Oh my god, I was on the chart when this happened. Market came, tapped back inside this, failed to reach it one more time, but look at the wick. Then happened to drop, giving you another order block right there as a continuation. Another order block right there. Market taps it in, coming back into the range, half of the range. Then the market drops, continue dropping lower. New macro 10:50 to 11:10, not 10:50. So no, sorry, 11 a.m. So if I may look at this, this is 11 a.m. It's 11 a.m. Oh god. God. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fucking shit. I'm sorry for cussing out loud, but this is 11 a.m. open with the market gives you a Judas swing coming into this fair value gap right here. This is a bearish fair value gap right there. you just swing, market drops, comes back into the new day opening up, then we accumulate. So this is where I was taken out. I expected the market to rally back higher a bit, to come into this range, and it failed. Now look at what's happening. Holy shit. And it failed. So in this macro, the 1150 to 1210 happened to take price around here off of this fair value gap. The market just went and took me out. Then took another long. Let me just toggle this on for clarity. Alright, so took this long off of this fair value gap that formed within this macro. Market just dropped and took me out at that. My stop loss was below this to cover this order block right here. Market came, tapped me out. The moment I was tapped out, the market rallied back above. Took this entry right there, added in more contracts. Market came back and stopped me out at break even. Happened to wait for the news to come out. This was FOMC. Have the market coming here. Bought. News came out at 2:30. I hadn't checked for that. I hadn't looked out for that. News came back out at 8:30. Market took me out just like that. So that's it. Bought another one. Market came back, took me out again at stop loss. Bought again. Market rallied, took me out at break even. Now, after all that, now look at what just happened. So I anticipate this to be a sell model. I think we are now currently in a sell mode. The market has started initiating a sell mode for us. So let's see what our bias is for the coming days. Today is Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, let's see where the market ends up for the week. So if I may check at the one weekly time frame, I think I can put this off. Right. This week I want a bullish closure, so market can come back into this. Let me see on the 1 day. This closing bearish, trading inside this fair value gap right there. And from today onwards, I'm not trading FOMC day ever again. The day where I have FOMC, I'll be out of the market. So let's see. This is ES at all-time highs. If I can see. YM is looking pretty bearish for the week. YM, NQ, okay, let's see what the market has in store for us tomorrow. A good day. Thank you, guys.